Hi students, today I am going to explain very important principles of Bohr principle, Hund's rule and Pauli's explosion principle. So first I will discuss what is Aufbau principle. What is meant by Aufbau? Aufbau means building up or construction. What we are building up or construction? So the atomic orbitals, how they are constructed and how they are built up. So the Aufbau principle states that in ground state of an ion, so when the ion is in a ground state, so it is not excited state, it is in ground state. So what it will do, electrons fill atomic orbitals lowest available energy levels before occupying higher levels. So what happens in the ground state, the atoms or ions, so what happens, the electrons will be filled in the atomic orbitals first in the lower energy levels, after that higher energy levels. This means the orbitals with lower energy will be filled first, following the orbitals of higher energy. So how it fills, let's see. First, before filling the orbitals, first it will fill 1s orbital. So when the 1s is completely filled, then it will go to 2s. So 1s is lowest energy, after that 2s lower energy, after 2s it will fill 2p, little high energy than 2s, after that 3s, after that 3p, after that 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, after that 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, like this, so on it will be filling. So first lowest energy orbitals are filled, after that it will go to higher energy levels. So for example, let's see. So what is the electronic configuration of K, potassium? So its atomic number is 19. So 19 electrons are there to be filled. First it will fill the lowest energy S. So 1s2, after the 2s, 2s2, after the 2p, 2ps, after the 3s, 3s2, after that 3s it should first fill 3p, after that only, so it will fill first 3p, after that 4s. So after 4s only 3d will be filled. Because it is 3, d orbital will not be filled first because it is having high energy than 4s. So 4s will be filled, after that only 3d will be filled, but here only it stopped because 19 electrons are completely over, so it will not go to 3d orbital. So after filling of 4s orbital only, it will go to next 3d orbital. So like this, the filling of orbitals takes place from lower energy to higher energy levels. So one more example, sulfur. So its electronic configuration is 16. So 16 electrons should be filled. First lower energy level S is filled, after that 2s, 2p6, after that 3s2, and the remaining 4 electrons in the 3p. Like this, it is filled from lower energy to higher energy. So next, one more concept is Hund's rule. It is also included how the electrons are filled. So all the orbitals will be singly occupied before any is doubly occupied. In singly occupied orbitals have same spin. So what is Hund's rule? When the orbitals are filled, first single electron will occupy all that, and after that it will take double. So let's see here. This is the correct form. See, 1s is fully filled, 2s is fully filled, and 2p while filling, first it will fill 1 electron, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So when it is completely filled, again it will start doubling. Again here it is filled 2px2. So and first it will fill the same spin. See here, only upper arrow I wrote, means it will only parallel spins it will take, and after that again opposite spins will fill. So it is the correct form. Why like this it should be filled? Because no electron repulsion, so it will equal to lower energy. So when the electrons are filling, if it is filling in the same spin, then there will be no electron repulsions. When electron repulsions are there, so we need high energy. So to avoid that, to occupy or to have lower energy, so it will first fill the same spins. After that it will double. So this is the correct form, not like this. See here, 1:2 filled and 2p double it is filled. It is not, it should not be like this. It is an incorrect form. Because of electron repulsions, more energy is required. So this is Hund's rule in simply. And next is Pauli's exclusion principle. So it states that no two electrons will have identical set or the same quantum numbers. So according to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electrons will have same quantum numbers. So quantum numbers will be different for different electrons. For example, if we take helium atom, its atomic number is 2. So 2 electrons will occupy the outermost shell with opposite spins. These 2 electrons are in first shell. So because of Aufbau principle, lower energy level it should fill. So first shell 1s. So 2 spins, 2 electrons are filled in the opposite direction, and it have, so n is equal to 1 because only 1 s. So and L is equal to 0 and M is equal to 0. The spin is also plus half minus half. So anti-parallel to each other. Like this, the electrons will be there and they will not have same quantum numbers I told. What is this quantum number? Let's see. So what is quantum number means? The set of numbers used to describe the position and energy of electrons in an atom. So in an atom, in what position the electrons are filled and what energy it is having, these are expressed in quantum numbers. There are 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. So principal quantum number expressed by N, azimuthal quantum number by L, magnetic by M, spin quantum number by S. So like this we explained. So the 3 important concepts of Aufbau principle and Hund's rule and Pauli's exclusion principle. Thank you.